Hiccups are an involuntary contraction of our diaphragm. Our diaphragm is the muscle layer that separates our chest and our lungs from our abdomen. And so various stimuli can induce hiccups. And it can range from a particular food item. It can just simply be a spastic muscle contraction. It could be from an overfull belly. And in fact, there are some medical conditions that can cause hiccups, including an intra-abdominal abscess or an infection underneath the diaphragm. So your general hiccups, though, when they come on, it's usually due to some irritant that's hit your airway or your esophagus, and the diaphragm starts contracting. Some ways to stop the hiccups from happening are to hold one's breath. So if you take a deep breath in and perhaps just physically try to contract your diaphragm, that will sometimes stop the spasms right there. I have a technique that's actually worked for everyone I've ever encountered, which is in fact to drink water, a tall glass of water, from the side opposite that you're usually drinking from. So normally we drink a glass of water from this side. Try to drink it from the opposite side by tilting your head down and drinking the water that way. And in fact, because of the way it's making the muscles contract, it stopped hiccups, including a gentleman who I saw who had been hiccuping for a week, who was having severe abdominal pains, could barely eat, and I had him do this in the office, and his hiccups went away. It was pretty dramatic.